And I know I'll make some I guess games like this. Possibility of me just sticking to games or memes. I'm not sure which one. Can you comment down below? Should I do memes or games? It's really up to you guys. I don't care much about which one I do. But if you want me to see what can I do and what you want me to do, comment down below and I'll go accept some comments. And today we're going to be actually playing Subway Surfers, which is a little bit weird because I already played this on my channel many times, but I deleted it over this because I want to restart my recording. So there, guys. So yeah, about that. Just comment down below, see how it is, and so I'm gonna try to beat my high score actually, because my high score on this is, you see up on the right corner what my record is on screen. It's pretty cracked. And I'll tell you some things. How weird was it that Xbox themselves, I'm pretty sure, no, they did. They've removed. Like, you can't make videos on Xbox anymore. My passion was making freaking Fortnite videos, but apparently not anymore. You can't anymore. It's so dumb. They had, I'm pretty sure it's Xbox, because this one day I wanted to make a Fortnite, it was a montage. It was like one of my, it was like one of my favorite montages, and it was like such good editing. And then I'm trying to upload it. Well, let me upload. Okay, that's just straight up lag if you ask. So, what the hell was that? But yeah, it's kind of dumb, and I kind of hated it. Pretty mad, but at the end, I remembered some. Not the end of the world. I can still play it on my phone. Man, I used to be really good at this game. I'm trash. I'm not sure why it's lagging. So, but yeah. Hopefully your guys' day is really good. If it's not, comment down below. I'll go help you make your day feel better. Because everyone is special what they are. Just saying. What the hell? With lag, that was crazy, but yeah. Definitely, I would say everyone is definitely nice people. Anyone, yourself, be whatever you want. I'm straight up honest. Like, I want to be a gamer when I grow up. I'm a YouTuber. Look what I'm doing right now. Of course, I'm not grown up, but... but yeah. I'm still playing games like this, and it's pretty fun. Because I feel like you guys want games. You don't want memes, or you don't want songs, or anything like that. You don't. Okay, I did not have enough time. I'll resume you when I'm done with this dumb video. So it won't let me do the video, but that's fine. I'll just restart again. Oh yeah, and do you guys want to go see a, do you guys want to go see me do other games? Because every day I want to go to different games. If you want to see a part 2 of this game, comment down below. For sure, I will do a part 2 to this game. Even though I'm going 2.5 miles per hour, you know, it's fine. Wait, 24? I only have 25,000 to go? That's not bad. That's my top round last time because I screwed up, but yeah. Comment down below. What's your favorite game, guys? Is it Fortnite, Apex Legends? Is it, dang it, something about my storage. It's not working right now. Don't know why, but it's not. I don't know why. I straight up don't know why. So if this video ends late, I'll go fix that problem. But yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna push this video all the way up to 10 minutes because I'm not like one of those YouTubers that push them all the way up to 10 minutes for ad revenue. Plus, I don't even get ad revenue, so I just like doing my job. It's a great, I call it a job in my opinion. But yeah. And yeah. What is your favorite rapper, guys? Comment down below. That's a good question. I was talking about rapping a couple minutes ago, but definitely, I feel like a lot of you guys would say maybe some Emily. I'm not gonna do anything because I don't want to get copyright stricken, but I'm gonna go end this video here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, the best day you could have, and bye.